She's like, yep, and that's all the distance I need to know that this is not for me. I'm too scared. I was like, damn. So my grand plan of getting her a motorcycle so that, oh my God, I think I just killed a bird. Oh man. I'm gonna have to go back. I have to go back and look. He flew right in front of me. Y'all saw it, man. I did not mean to hurt that guy. If I did, I think that might be him laying in the road right there. Oh, I did get him. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. Well, that sucks. Damn it. Why did he get in front of me like that? Oh man, y'all, that sucks. That does not make me feel good. Well, I mean, I couldn't do anything. It just flew right out in front of me. Dang it. Ah, poor bird. Looks like it, looked like he went quick though. I mean, he just flew right in front of my bike. Oh man. Dang it.